Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear fellow mothers? I hope you are in a very good state of iman and health, inshallah. Today we are going to discuss a very beautiful topic: how to pour love into your marriage. Signing the oath of your nikah doesn't mean that you are tying yourself with the ropes of compromise and one-sided love. This beautiful relationship is the blessing by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on us. Please help yourself to communicate with your spouse. This communication doesn't mean to stand with the play cards of complaints all the time in front of your partner. It means to pour out your love with words of encouragement, attitude of gratefulness, joy and laughter. Also, positive humor is the element of peaceful and successful marriage. There should be expression of love by hugs, holding hands, having a cup of coffee together, writing small notes to each other, a walk outside your house, a show together, enjoying each other's hobbies, and a very good communication. A communication that soothes the soul, that gives you and your partner peace of mind, that brings laughter and fun, and that brings real life into your life. And as always, I said, for every cause, don't miss amals. Stick to 2 rakat hajat of nafil, 2 nafil prayer, 2 rakat of tahajjud, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help you out to fulfill all your wishes and to help you stay away from those situations and challenges that intervene in between you and your husband in form of disputes and quarrels. And always remember one thing, that وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا, we made you as pairs. I hope that you like today's video and it will be helpful and beneficial for all of us, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.